Imagine turning any messy recording into a perfectly organized transcript in seconds. That is what Megatranscript.com AI Speaker Diarization accomplishes. From the first moment you upload a recording, every voice is separated, every speaker is labeled, and the transcript is accurate and ready to use immediately. That is why I rely on it for every project I handle. Recently, a client shared a 3-hour panel discussion with 7 different speakers. In any normal workflow, this would require hours of rewinding, pausing, and guessing who said what. They uploaded the file to Megatranscript.com, and in minutes, the transcript was flawless. Each speaker was clearly identified, every line was perfectly placed, no confusion, no frustration. Pure clarity, Megatranscript.com is precise and reliable. It detects subtle differences in tone, pace, and voice texture. It works in noisy environments and can even handle multiple languages effortlessly. Journalists use it to capture every word of interviews without mistakes. Educators convert lectures into exact notes instantly. Legal teams record testimonies accurately. Podcasters, content creators, and business professionals now have a tool that respects their time and gives them complete control over their transcripts. The speed is astonishing. What used to take hours is now done in minutes. Every transcript is structured, readable, and ready to share, edit, or analyze immediately. This is efficiency you can actually rely on. Whether you are managing interviews, taking class notes, documenting meetings, or producing content for a global audience, Megatranscript.com gives you clarity, accuracy, and confidence. Every speaker is identified. Every word is captured. Every transcript is ready to be used instantly. The focus shifts from cleaning up audio to acting on your content. Megatranscript.com does more than save time. It elevates your work. You can produce, review, and distribute transcripts with total certainty. It makes collaboration smoother. It makes research faster.
Our first guest tonight
started selling beats to Jay-Z, Rockefeller, and that started going well. And I said,
It makes content more professional. It is fast. It is intelligent. It is precise. If you want transcripts that separate every voice perfectly, that save you hours, and that give you clarity without compromise, Megatranscript.com is the tool you need. Start free today at Megatranscript.com. This voiceover is powered by Megatranscript text-to-speech, emotionally aware, natural, and designed to make every word meaningful.